Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use portable stash in Abyss Roblox. So if you're running out of space for your legendary catches, in Abyss, managing your weight is the difference between a massive payday and also a slow crawl back to the surface. So in here I'm going to show you where to find it, the portable stats, and how you can use it. So the portable stats can be found inside the Forgotten Dome and also the Ancient Sands. So in here, as you guys can see, my weight is almost full, so I'm going to use the portable stats to store some of my big fish. So you can just go near the portable stash and open it, and to enter or to insert a new fish, you can just click on deposit and choose the fish that you want to store. For example, I'm going to add big fish like this one. It's a 57 kilograms, and also the shark 46. You can add more than once. Add once in here. Let's say I'm going to add 3 like this. You can just click on confirm, and just like that, now your weight is decreased. And if you want to withdraw or remove a fish from the stash, you can just click on withdraw and choose the fish and click on confirm. And to upgrade your portable stash, you can just talk to Billy in here and ask him about upgrading your storage. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.